vitamin D.
Ganun siya eh, ganun siya eh.
Service 8. Score for Valenzuela. Now the service line jersey number 7. Service. Also the jersey number 17, by the way. Set. Mate. Despite. Nice save, second win. And Lola scored. Horsepower. Now serving jersey number 9. Set. Gumante. Set.
Drive.
Nice save from Oliveto. Nice save. Oy. Manuel. Ian. Ball is out. Score. For Calindola. Now the service line jersey number 5. Now serving. Score 4. Score 8. 3-2. Still in favor for Calindola. Small gap. Demanding. Set. Score big 4-2. Standing favor for Valenzuela. Now the service line jersey number 10. Score. Jersey number 16, no line. Nice fight. Score big 4-3. 1 point lead for Calindola. Now serving jersey number 5. Roberto. Shot. One pa lang tayo sa gitna. Score for jersey number 18. Serving. Good set. Initial score, 4 Sprague. Score update, 5-4. 1 point lead pa rin ng Kalindola. Now the service line jersey number 8. Let's say number 10, chance ball. But no luck, score for Sprague. Score update, 5-all. So serving jersey number 8. So, ikat po. Good to Manuel. Mas Mike score for Kalindola. Now serving jersey number 13. Yes, sir. Pasok, score for Sprague. Now service line jersey number 16. Alberto. Pagkatiyan. Set. Drop ball on Juan Alberto. Wow. No luck. Net violation. Okay. Score for Kalindola. Score update, 7-6. Leading pa rin ng 1 point ang Kalindola. Score for Sprague. Wait lang po. Sir. Next up. Wait lang po.
Kasi ito yung mga pasok. 17, 5, 10, 18, 13, 9. Bakit may 3? Sorry.
Yung number po. Welcome back to the game. Seven on for our first set. Now serving jersey number 10. Pero go. Come on, Ben. He's blocked. Oh. Perfect. The score for Sprague. Now serving jersey number 10. Service X. That's got shown the service line. Jersey number 10. Score update 10-7. The 3-point lead for Sprague. So serving jersey number 10. Ruben. That is drop 4. Kalindola. Score update 8-10. Now the service line will be jersey number 17, Manuel. The team captain of Manuel. Wow! Lahat na ng jersey number 5. Okay, now we can serve jersey number 9. Monsieur Manuel. Setter. Mate. And spike. Mordimante. Score of the 8-12. Okay, spike. Nice one is ending the game. So serving jersey number 9. Manuel. Ito si Mate. Okay, ganda. Kalipas mo. The score update 9-12. Leading pa rin po ang Sprung. Now serving jersey number 5. Pero set. Mario. Nice block. Manuel. Mate. Nagasa. Check, check. Kaya si Williams yung buhay, walang tao doon. And score for Calidola. Scoring 10-13. 3.8 for Sprung. Ian Manuel Natatulan. Spike and unlock score for Sprung. Score update 10-14. Now serving jersey number 5. Manuel. Another service leads. Consider jersey number 5. Manuel. Okay, walang score for Calidola. Starting 11-15. Or 4.8 ang Sprung. Now the service line, serving jersey number 18. Manuel. Set. Ito naman. Ulay. But no luck. Score for Calidola. So serving jersey number 18, Baldi. Nice save. Pagpaputian. Pagpaputian. May tao po sa likod. Set. Ulay. Matalo pa. And sa score for Calidola. So serving jersey number 18. Shot spot for Calidola. Putian. Manuel. Manuel. Set. Nola. Score for Calidola. Time out. Sprocket. First set. On the service line, jersey number 18, Buddy. Set. No luck. Score for Sprocket. Score big 14-16. So 28 for Sprocket. Now serving jersey number 8. Ito Bardillo. Manuel. And nice pass. Score for Calendar. Ay, Sprocket. Okay, meron touch net. Ano nangyari? Okay, so serving jersey number 8. Manuel, Kabutian. Manuel. Nice one. Score for Calendola. Score update 15-17. Leading pa rin po ng 2 points ang Sprocket. On the service line, there's number 3, Patino. So, everyone, set. Second pass is there. Score update 16-17. Still serving, jersey number 3, Patino. Open the libero, set. Nice save by Patino. Score for Caledona. Score update 17 all. For our first set. Still serving jersey number 3, Putino. Set. Okay, Magnola. Score for Caledona. Now for first set, Caledona is leading the game. Putian the service line. Check. Okay, jersey number 17. Nice save. Dumate. Magnola. Score again for Calendola. Score update 19-17. Now the service line, jersey number 3, Putian. Check. Yung Tucacho. Nice drop. Lola. Score. Oops. Save! Okay, score for Sprocket. Score update 19-18. And Calendola is leading the set. And the service line jersey number 7. Manuel. Nice block. Ito Dumate. Yes, in. Score for Sprocket. Score update 19-18. On the service line, jersey number 7. Bilang Calendola. Score for Calendola. Score update 2019. 1.8 po sa Calendola. Score for jersey number 17. Senator Dumate. Nice block. Save. Nice save by Mendoza. Dito Dumate again. Okay. Score for Calendola. 2-point lead for Calendola. Score update 21-19. Still serving jersey number 17. Manuel. Yung mga players natin, pag pumalapit sa court, nice block. Reparitino Dumate. Chance ball for Calendola. Manuel. Tumidosa. Okay. Out. Score for ay, Sprocket. Libero. Block. Okay, so score natin is a Sprocket. Okay. Starting 21-20. Now the service line jersey number 10. Manuel. Mendoza. Block by Dumate. Okay, score update 21 all. Ang saya ng first set natin. So, sa video si number 10. Dito, Manuel. Touch. Violation. Score update 22-21. Captain. Okay, score update 22-21. And we scored ng 1 point ang Caledonia for our first set. Now, serving jersey number 8. Nice. Good for the long service. 5 dapat yung magsiserve. Dapat si 5 yung magsiserve. Score for Spraken. Pwede ito all, sir. Tama po. Press down na lang po. Nandito po kanina yung Calindola. Tama po. 2 puntos yung bibila. Five. Manuel. We're back to the game for our first set. Score date 22 all. That's what you guys have now. Miscommunication. Score for Spraken. Score date 22-23. Which favorite po? Timeout. Timeout. 22-23. Change favor for Spraken with 120. Now serving jersey number 9. Manuel Cabradillo is now score! Fourth Calindola. Score date 23 all for the first set. Service line jersey number 12. Manuel Cabradillo. Score! Spraken. Match point sa Spraken. Mga service na ito sa number 3, Dumato. Time out. Time out. Okay, wala na pong time out dito. Okay, back to the game for first set. Match point for Spraken. So, serving jersey number 3, Dumato. Set point. Manuel Mendoza. Nice save from Libera. Manuel Padilla. Was in. Okay, pass na tayo. Scoring 24 all. And service line jersey number 18, Padilla. Set. Padilla. Nice save from Padilla. Manuel to Manuel. Mendoza, Manuel. Nice block. Magulate. Nice save din ito. Manuel. Pero. Manuel. Manuel. Nice block. Zulato. Serving ng Cardin. Manuel. Nice block. Scores bracket. Now the service number is number 5. Wala. Manuel. Ian. Okay pa ang person natin. Score for Calindola. Grabe. Now the service number is number 18.
May ang bili ako plata.
Save for Manuel. For Manuel. Down score for Calindola. Score update 26-25. Timeout, Spranger. Okay, excuse lang po. Okay.
Okay. Home server po tayo ulit. Ang nakapasok po ay A. Number A. 13 ang... Hindi nag-sub. Wala nag-sub eh. Nung inayos yan, eight. Para, dapat sinabi sir na ano, na nakasab ang 8 at 13.
Ang service natin Calindola. Now serving jersey number 8. Yan. Seventeen gitna. Gitna 17. Goes out score for Calindola. 26-25. So serving jersey number 8. Manuel.